Okay, fine. Chalo, let's get started. What exactly? So front end रहेगा. So right from tomorrow onwards, we'll be getting started with our front end trainings. It is going to be a 5-day training program. Okay. So Bake Minds have created their own learning portal, and in the learning portal, some pre-recorded sessions will be available. Okay. And then along with the session, there are going to be some assignments. So it's all practical. Theory कुछ नहीं करना. IT is practical execution, coding, debugging. Problems आएगा, you have to solve those problems. That's what is IT. So it has to be practical. So daily basis from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start our learnings with JavaScript related trainings. Guys, you might be knowing college में आता होगा नहीं आता होगा, does not matter. If next seriousness से let's get started. Okay. Now another important point to understand, this is not just like any other training ke you will do for 1 hour 2 hour and ho jayega. You should already think, okay, listen my statement very clearly, you should already think that you're working as a professional inside an IT organization. Whether you are getting paid or not getting paid, whether you have a job or you don't have a job, start acting like professional. And guys, as part of IT professionalism, I work daily 10 to 7. That's my job timings. Every company will have 8 hours 9 hours of working times. You as a student doesn't get this mature thinking, okay, how should you work, so you end up losing a lot of time and then complaining, I'm not getting job, market is bad. You have to change the way you live right from tomorrow onwards. First, understand my every statement very clearly, feed it, because I'm even telling you reasons why you should do behavioral change right from tomorrow. Start thinking like IT professional, because anyways, once you get the job, you would definitely give your 9 hours every single day for the work. Yes or no? You will definitely give. IT ne to bolega कि घर पे बैठो. So you have to perform daily 9 hours, 10 hours of IT job, and right from once you have the pay scale and all that, it will start. But I want you to promise to yourself, we will not wait for that job to be serious. Right from tomorrow onwards, we will achieve that seriousness. Once you prioritize this, then the job getting will become easy. Otherwise, बहुत struggle रहेगा. I'm seeing that pain in the market. That's what we are trying to solve. So right from tomorrow onwards, we will be daily working. Okay, even though we are training, we are calling here a term. We will be daily working from 8 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. Okay, till your half day, we are going to be available. There will be some tools, there will be some softwares which we have already instructed. Today we are going to give some quick demo about that as well. So we will be giving you a demo right from tomorrow, the tools which we use in the IT industry like Discords and all, for communication, for getting in calls. And guys, know it, there are right now around what, 26 people or so. You will be formed in some teams, you will be working like a group. So it's not independent study, it is group study. You learn, you grow, you help, collaborate with each other like a proper IT environment. We are going to take it forward right from tomorrow onwards. So the working time is going to be 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, it's a lot of hours there. Okay, now the thing is, while you are doing this working year, okay, think like professional. Theory se kuch nahi hone wala. You have to be practical enough, and if you're stuck anywhere, you need to, right from day one onwards, start using Google for solving your problems. Uske baad, if it is not solved, yes, you reach out to your team members for solving the problems. If uske baad also it is not solved, yes, Swati madam is going to be available. She will be appointing some mentors. She will be jumping in by herself. We will all be supporting each other to learn in this. Okay. So right from tomorrow onwards, your 5-day training is going to start. JavaScript training, 8 to 2 p.m. daily. It will happen daily, no gaps in between, and you should be available during the time itself. Next, these trainings will be provided into an internal Bake Minds portal. Okay, so we have our own LMS system where all the recordings will be there. All those people who fill up the form today for continuing, listen the entire thing. It's देखो guys, if you are already के time pass model में करेंगे, please don't then enroll for the program, because it's anyways you will be filtered out. तुम्हारा भी time waste, हमारा भी time waste. So we want only serious guys to come in the end. And for that, if you're really committed to put your efforts, then only fill up your form, please. Okay, fine. And now, right from tomorrow, we'll start. 5-day training will be done on JS. Like our LMS platforms are there. We will be giving you live credentials today itself in an email. You will be getting your live credentials, and yes, if, right from tomorrow onwards 8 a.m. you will be expected to log in into one of our corporate tool like Discord, where we all will be creating some teams for you people. All those details will be provided, don't worry about it. And then tomorrow 8 a.m. we will connect with this training. 5-day training, learn the concepts, the recordings will teach you nicely. Along with that, pause the recording, repeat it, code it at the same time. We expect you to have your own laptops and machines so that you can do some practicals there. सुनने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. We need practical people. So complete that entire 5-day training course. Till Friday it is going to continue. Okay. Next, on 30 of October, okay, we are going to perform a test. And guys, let me tell you, खाली time pass करोगे if in the first week you will not be able to pass through this test. You really have to be committed, hardworking, results, practicals, assignments, and whatever assignments you do in that tool, we will be getting a report at the back end कि who has completed, who has not completed. Automatically पता चल जाएगा कि who are doing at what levels. So we have all those tracking mechanisms with place. Okay. And guys, those who are more serious, let me again commit this. Those who are more serious during the program, more consistent, more available, we will be starting to schedule their interview first comparatively to other people. Okay, so everybody is not at the same scale for us. More commitment, more hardworking people will get rewards early compared to the other guys. Fine. Now, coming back to the next. So on next Saturday, 30 of October, we are going to perform a 2 hours of online test. Again, the credentials, the details, how the test will be done, that will be communicated to you. Okay, don't worry much about it. It will be including some coding, some assignments, whatever kind of assignments were done as part of the week one. Almost similar kind of coding assignments will be there. But guys, it's not your college, तो mug up नहीं करना है. IT industry हमको जूते से मारेगी कि बोलेगी क्या कॉलेज का रट्टू टट्टू लाके दे दिया है. So please don't do that. Think, solve, think, solve. Don't mug up. Don't try to remember. IT industry में nothing will happen of such people. College life is past. It is done. Understand. Use Google. Use internet. Code it. Think logical. Debug it. तो बहुत अच्छा सा अप्रोच रखो and we will get it through. ठीक है, so but don't mug up, please. So fine. So as part of this 2 hour session, we are going to get the candidates, and whoever are able to filter through, okay, the rest of the program for 1.5 months will continue only with those candidates which will be filtering through. Okay, and for all the other candidates, we'll just give you a quick feedback and how you should continue further, and you can make your way. And I think very frequently we will be starting with the same Bake Minds programs batch by batch. You can definitely enroll for the next batch also after working some more harder. Okay, so that option is also available. But if you can get it from the market, but I practically know that as a fresher, if your college is not very reputed college, getting a 5 lakhs market is not really that generous. Okay, it's horrible. So I think most of you people, and guys, as part of this program, I'm already telling you, do you see 27 or so people from our first batch? We are having some people already enrolled for year who were not shortlisted. So right now they are coming up with more commitment. So know that there is going to be high competition. So if you relax, you will be at a back foot. Okay, so take it on very seriously. So put your efforts, qualify through this, and once you're qualifying the interview here, the technical process here, everything automated. Once you clarify all this, shortlisting will be done, and the remaining program will be done with all the shortlisted candidates, which will be lasting approximately for 1.5 months of time. In year, we will be again daily in the LMS portal. We will be sharing the trainings on all of these tools. Okay, we are going to get a bit professional as well in our way of working. Nothing but IT industry for project development. We are using agile approach of software development. Okay, so agile, Scrum, you might have heard something about that. In our day-to-day learning and training here at Bake Minds, we are going to perform the similar IT industry related concepts. So daily morning 8 a.m. stand-ups will happen where your entire teams, okay, so we will be grouping you people into teams. All you guys will connect together. You will be giving the Scrum update. We will speak more about it. Not everything not required right today, but yes, you guys have to give your own update. Okay, how did your progress? Are you blocked somewhere? Are you dependent or like stuck somewhere? How can we solve each other's problem? Or what is the input required from Swati madam? All of those discussions will be happening. Okay, so yes, as a professional IT environment, we'll be working. There will be a proper tracking. So we'll give you some Excel sheets where you need to track your day by day progress. This is what even happens in the corporate world. Okay, I this is my task plan for 24th of October. and this is what I completed. Then this is for 25th. So day by day tracking in an Excel sheet will also happen. And yes, as Scrum, we will connect together on a daily basis, and then all these assignments will be there. Again, these will be recorded sessions with some mentors with you guys and supporting each other. Ye pura ka pura training will happen. Okay. Now, okay, just few things to tell you. Even though the sessions are pre-recorded sessions, but we have filtered down some of the best material and made it available for you guys. And precisely speaking, so the Swati madam who has taken this initiative of Basic Minds, okay, so she had, okay, she's having around 10 plus years of industry experience as a UI architect. Okay, so she's like in and out. She has built up the own frameworks. For example, let's say React JS is a new thing. You might have heard about React JS, Angular JS. So these kind of frameworks that are there. So in her past, she has also created her own frameworks as competitors to something like Angular JS framework or React JS frameworks, which are very strongly used at the corporate level wherever she's working. Okay, so we are really lucky enough. ऐसे लोग guys very few are will be there in the market. So you are getting a chance to work with high-end, top quality industry people here with Bake Minds, and she has built up framework of that competition कि Angular JS, React JS को compete करेगा. Okay, and that tool is being prioritized to be used in the IT industry compared to other ready-made products. So you can imagine the company, entire organization of like 2000 employees are using that product compared to on top of Angular and React as well. We could give you that product training as well, but it is rare, it is unique because it's for the specific corporates. So we don't want to spend your time in that energy right now. We want to make you ready for many of the corporate industries. But understand the quality of people that you would be interacting with Bake Minds, it's top notch, it's very rare. We belong into the top less than 5% of the IT industry. ठीक है, तो ऐसे मत समझो कि कोई भी उठाई गिरे लोग सेशंस कर रहे हैं. It's not like that. It's huge. We are like top of our players. Okay, so now that's where we want you to be that serious. If you take it casual, only God can save you, nobody else. And if he wants, because if you're already less committed, even he will not save you. Okay, efforts walo ko dunya reward karti hai. This is how the world works. Fine. So 1.5 months of training, styling part mastery, plus all the backend UI side backend programming, React, Redux, JavaScript, in and out core. बहुत अच्छे से हो जाएगा guys. Daily 8 to 2. If you start putting efforts, the entire program will be 8 to 2. You have to take it that seriously the way you're working. So बीच में छुट्टी लेना, going for a leaves here, there, those kind of things will not be entertained. ठीक है? If you want to formally go for a leave due to emergency cases, yes, you have to officially drop us an email with the reason why, how many days, and then only take the leave. Work a bit professionally guys. IT industry के तरह काम करो, not like कि अपनी मर्जी से guys. It is free for a reason because we want to give service. यही सब काम करने के लिए we can charge you, and उसके बाद we are like because you are paying money then you will be forced to come. We don't want to do that. यहाँ पे because money is not involved, I am telling you, some of you will take it casually because there is nothing at stake. But guys, your entire career is at stake. Understand that. If you don't grasp it rightly, market is going to be really brutal, especially with BSc computers and all. बहुत problem होती है. Okay, and that too with बहुत धीरे धीरे small packages पे you will be getting in, and बहुत time लगेगा to grow in the IT career. So don't do that. Be serious, be committed. Okay, fine. So this is how we will be continuing our entire assignments and all. We will work the way corporate industry works. So we expect the level of seriousness the way corporate industry expects. Okay, fine. Now next, moving on further, we will be working with you not just from training and coding perspective. Here it would be all practical codings, problem solvings, googling, building our applications. So it's not just theory. We will build up some applications here, the like industry standards, real-time projects. We are going to develop it. We matlab you are going to develop it, and that's what you will feel confident. Okay, I can work. So I am really good in all these things. And then you will be able to crack the interviews and work on the floor also very nicely. Along with that, we will be working very closely with you for preparing your resumes, okay, and then giving you all the guidance required for interviews. Especially Swati madam is going to take interviews of all you people multiple times. We'll take you so many interviews of you so that you will become well aware of all of those things. Multiple tests will happen as part of this entire training. So you will really become a quality product. Okay, be committed. Not committed people will automatically will give them a notice. Okay, we are not seeing that kind of enthusiasm in you for learning and hunger. So better you also part away. We'll just give a notice and people will be removed in this journey. But those who are really committed, we want to grow along with them. Interview preparation tips, resume building, we will help you for doing all that, don't worry. And as soon as your training is done, approximately 1 to 1.5 months starting 1st November, as soon as this entire thing is done, our corporate clients will start interviewing you. Okay, already guys, in the first batch we have already deployed people in the IT industry. They got around 6 package, 6.5 package as well. Okay, 6 package, 6.5 package, and they are really, the interviewers were very much impressed with them, and they are waiting for the next batch which we are starting right now. They are already like, okay, we want to reserve these many people, and can you just do it by when we can have it? So they are also chasing us, but we said ki first we will make the people worthy enough, उसके बाद ही इंटरव्यू के लिए रश करेंगे. Okay, compromise लोगों को देख के we will feel guilty basically, because I lead a team of 35 members. If somebody gives me a compromised person who is not able to do the work, I will feel bad about it, right? So we are trying to think from a corporate perspective here, not just get deploy it and get it the work done. We want you to really be good. So right from December onwards itself, once we are done with this, so in the month of December we will be scheduling interviews for all you people with a minimum package of 5 lakhs in the industry. Okay, and let's say you're not qualified, and we are already ensuring the level of preparation that will happen here, you will be able to crack in the first interview itself. Okay, along with all this technical training, we will even give you some soft skills related training, how to crack the interviews, like your confidence level, how do you answer it, how do you present yourself. All of that work is also going to happen. Will make you a complete product basically. ठीक है, वो सब होने के बाद we are very sure in the first interview itself you will be able to crack it through nicely. But due to some reason अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है, so we have multiple other clients. We will be giving you, like across multiple clients you will be exposed for interviews. At least 3 clients we are going to give you for interview. ठीक है, let's say उसके बाद भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो better you also start hunting outside. But the thing is, we will train you, and we are pretty confident those who reach till the end of the application, they will definitely be consumed in any one of the industry. Okay, fine. So this is how the entire program is going to go like. Now the thing is, already you guys have filled up a form. Okay, and that's where we are here. We have already filled up a form. I just want you to read through this in front of you, so that we are all aware of the amount of seriousness which Bake Minds expects from each one of us. Casual लोगे के लिए Bake Minds नहीं है. We don't want to do free service for casual people. ऐसे ही 5,000 ले लेंगे and दे देंगे, तो that's a different game. But since there is no money involved, only your seriousness and time is what we are expecting from you. Okay, because otherwise it's waste of our time also. So don't let our efforts fail to grow you. Okay, to put your best shots. So first we will be doing front end trainings. Okay, it is going to continue for around 1 to 2 months. Many people are like, no, I don't want trainings, I just want the job in the end. Guys, you will struggle in the IT industry, and we don't want to take responsibility of such people. So if you don't want trainings, we will not be able to pass you through all of this process. ठीक है, तो काम करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. You say already I know front end, prove it by building the right applications. Prove it, because 5 lakh की बात चल रही है guys. It's not a small money, it's huge. Big corporates are not paying it, our clients are paying, so we have to respect and justify that. तो बनो, अच्छा बनो. If you already know it, prove it. Prove it, you will get even bigger packages. We are saying minimum 5 lakh packages. We already have placed people with 6.5 to 7 lakh packages also. और ज्यादा मिलने के भी chances है. So we are continuously growing our client network on the other side. ठीक है? But yes, you guys have to be ready for that. जितना ज्यादा effort, उतना ज्यादा results will be coming to you. Fine. Next, the trainings will be provided on all of this. We have already discussed. Next timing is going to be from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Already discussed. Monday to Saturday it will be there. Sunday it's going to be off day. National holidays will be off day. So apart from that, please, okay, don't take any leaves. Be serious. IT में जाओगे तो leaves लोगे क्या? Hardly emergency leaves will be there, or sick leaves will be there. 2 महीने की बात है, उसमें don't try to plan any leaves. Entire year में we get only 10 leaves, okay, which people can take. 10 to 15 leaves मिलते हैं. Planned, unplanned, whatever. 10 to 15 leaves are there in the entire year of time, plus national holidays. So over and all milke, there are a lot of leaves coming up, like 25 tak jata hai. So in 2 months, try to avoid any leave. If you have vacation plan, travel plans, cut it down. You are thinking of a career which will last for next 20 years. Uske liye effort will be required. 2 months of hard work can give you a lot in return. So understand that. Next, okay, it's theory. So if you cannot code, so nothing will happen. We are not going to prepare you only for theory stuff and cracking the interview. Practical karna padega. So laptops, stable internet connection, because then only your trainings will happen. These things are mandatory. So arrange yourself up. कुछ भी करो, कैसे भी करो, arrange up. Because अभी work from home भी हो रहा है, तो you basically you need to have a laptop and all that. So with strong connection, do it. And only laptops, mobile से करोगे, देखो, your training will be done, but you will anyways be not be able to complete the assignments. You will not be able to pass through the interview, and you will not be able to then crack the final rounds as well, because practice ही नहीं किया है तो कहाँ से कर पाओगे. So just know it, it's going to be bad. You can hack it, but you will not be able to get a package then. Okay, that's a problem then. Fine. Next, learning material will be provided on our portals. Next, your performance will be very closely monitored all throughout. We will give you guidance wherever if we see that you are lacking somewhere, we will be giving you the inputs, proper feedback. We will be there all along with you throughout the entire program to keep improving you. So if you're committed, we are there with you always. Okay, so your performance will be monitored, inputs, feedbacks will be given, we'll grow together there. Next, another side, okay, if the performance is not satisfactory, when will this happen? If your commitments are shaking, then this clause comes in. So we'll be like, okay, then you walk your way. Why are you wasting our time also? If you are not committed, if you are not serious about this, so we are also not serious about you and your career. So we will part our ways there with by giving a notice. Okay, fine. So it's a complete free program. So don't expect कि भाई हमको और pay भी करो, ठीक है? Because we are not going to do any of our commercial business here. We are not trying to build projects which we are going to sell. Had this we run this as an IT organization, we had even this thought, okay, maybe in the future coming 6 months or so, we are even planning as part of this training also to give some stipend to people and build our own products. But that vision, maybe it will still take time. Like an IT organization, we will recruit you, we will build projects, we will pay you, and then we will even deploy with a 5 lakh package. That is going to happen in future, but not right now. Right now, we want only focus on your part, not our products and not our business. Just focusing on you, your growth, and no money from you guys. And that's where we are not even giving any stipend from our side, because we are not making any background game with you people. Okay, it's simple. You do work, you take the credit of that. That's it. Fine. After successfully completing the training, clients will be interviewing you. Fine. Next, once shortlisted, yes, a minimum pay scale of 5 lakhs per annum. Okay, more than that, yes, depends upon you basically. So you be more sharper, you can demand more there. Okay, fine. Next, we are not going to take anything from you, already spoken about it. And neither during training or after the training, your money is your money. Just be relieved with that already. Okay. Next, moving on, jobs will be given on the payrolls of our clients. So we are not any intermediary. We are not going to give any offer letters or anything from Bake Minds with you. You would directly be on the payroll of the client companies, their iCards, their offer letters directly. So we are just a mediator in between. You don't have any official thing from our side, but we are going to give you a certificate by the end of the program, which is going to be very valuably counted, because we have around 12 plus years of training of UI front end experience. So that kind of, by the UI architect, it's going to really carry its own value in the market. So you can definitely showcase that on your LinkedIn and other places as well. Okay. So fine, that kind of certificate will be provided to all, whether you get selected, not by, for everybody, it will be there. And whoever completes the entire program with us. Okay. And after that, all the clients are from yes, reputed companies. Right now, we cannot tell their names, but guys, just imagine if for a fresher from not like that great of a campus and college background, if they can pay 5 lakhs amount, so yes, they are really some very great companies in the market. Okay, fine. And the job locations, primarily we are targeting to be across Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune. Okay, so these are our primary target areas where our customers are residing. Now, there could be both possibilities, guys. Some companies will give you a remote work from home opportunity as well, but some companies might expect you to come and work from office also. It completely depends. Okay, so you have to make some wise decisions. But yes, if you are ready to relocate, we expect some flexibility. थोड़ा IT के लिए करना पड़ता है यहाँ वहाँ. But anyways, if you say no, so we have like 3 interviews scheduled for you, so you can pick based upon your choices. ठीक है? So maybe based upon your cities also you can pick it up. But yeah, we will be having approximately across all these things. Okay, fine. And yes, expect some flexibility. Uh, Guys, stay serious for initial 2-3 years of the IT industry, and then your entire career is going to be very good. Put efforts in learning, put efforts in growing. 3 साल के लिए बहुत serious रहो. Let me tell you, आगे career में बहुत पैसा मिलेगा, lot of opportunities, promotions, everything will come. If for initial 3 years, 3 years is the foundation week. If for initial 3 years your foundation is bad, future is going to be really very problematic. Guys, I have seen people having 6 to 7 years of industry experience, but they are not able to perform a good job. Okay, अभी क्या करेंगे IT इंडस्ट्री ऐसे लोगों का, because they were casual in the beginning of their careers, they did not grow in the industry, and उसके बाद IT doesn't, क्या करना पड़ेगा, निकाल देना पड़ेगा इन लोगों को. And then you people might be like, IT industry is brutal, they fire people, lay off karte ho, they are not emotional, they are not human beings. What can IT do? If you are not serious about your career, then IT को तो अपना business देखना पड़ेगा, right? IT has to care about their business. Who will pay? Let's imagine if it is your company. Will you keep burden with you a person who cannot work but asking a lot of money? Will you keep such people? No. So when it becomes your thing, you will not do it. How can you expect IT industry to be generous to you? IT is fair and square. You be hardworking, you will be rewarded. You are not able to work, better look job somewhere else. If you cannot look it, IT will remove you. Simple. Okay? So already get this mindset. Initial 3 years, right from tomorrow onwards, till initial next 3 years of the IT industry, hard work will make you successful. Commitment will make you successful. Uske baad jaake life will be very good. This is the foundation 3 years of the IT industry. ठीक है, and once you pass through the end, life पे बहुत अच्छी जाएंगे. I've seen great results also. People at the experience of 4 years, 5 years, they are starting to lead teams also. And then on the other side, there are people like 9 years, 10 years of experience, abhi tak independent contributor. Let me tell you, I've seen people in the IT industry, 10 years of industry experience, package abhi bhi just 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs ka package. 10 साल IT industry में still package is 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs. And on the other side, there are people 2 years of industry experience, their packages are 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs. Market is pretty dynamic. Okay, don't think कि IT में पैसा नहीं है. IT में है. You need to be talented. You need to go and get it. IT is ready to pay a lot. Okay, it's ready to pay a lot, but all the examples are available. So don't take wrong examples. Know okay, kitna scope is there in the IT industry. Okay, okay, fine. Now we will be getting started with the next part. Already our primary stuff is done here. Okay, so from tomorrow, the instructions of Discord software installations and those kind of things we are going to get started. थोड़ा सा technical थोड़ा बताएंगे कि how to do the trainings and how to get into Discord kind of trainings. ठीक है? So yes, Miss Swati, you are there. Can you please drop me a message in chat? Hello. Okay, so yes, could you please unmute yourself, Swati?
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, we are able to hear you.
Okay, perfect. So let me get started.
Yeah, we'll answer the questions, guys, by the end of the session. Okay, so Swati, Bisin, we will be answering all the questions by the end of the session. Okay, so let's complete this. Chalo, Swati.
Yeah, could you give me access to screen sharing, please?
Okay, doing it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, I hope you all are able to see my screen now.
Yes, visible.
Perfect. Okay, so every day in the morning, you all are expected to open these 4 things. Okay, so the first one is, just give me a second.
We will be giving you all these details in an email or some list of instructions as well.
Okay, so just open this Visual Studio Code as the first thing you need to do. And after this, just open We would be giving you access to this. So this Bakeman performance tracking Excel sheet. Okay. So you all will be divided into groups, and every group would have 7 members. And all the 7 members just go to the group ID that you have. So if somebody is in group 1, just go to the group 1 sheet. If somebody is in group 2, then go to group 2 sheet. Okay. And your name and email ID would already be added here. So you just need to tell that what you are planning to complete today and what you are and by 8 a.m. between 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. just enter what you are planning to complete today. Okay. And when you are closing your day at 2 p.m. just enter what you have actually accomplished, what you were able to accomplish during the day, during the entire during the full training period from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. what you were able to accomplish. So just provide the details to this. And so this thing, and every group would have a group leader. I would be choosing that group leader, and group leader needs to ensure that details of all the members in the group have been filled. Okay. So just by end of the day, we should know that what the candidates were planning to do and what they were able to accomplish. So we are expecting that by the end of 29 of October, your JavaScript fundamental course should be finished. And we would come to that what all is part of that course. But in the next 5 days, you would be completing that course. So you need to plan accordingly, like how much you have to accomplish on one day so that the entire thing is finished by 29 of October, so that you are ready to give the exam on 30th of October. Okay. So just the moment you join the training at 8 a.m., first just come to this Excel sheet, enter your name here, tell me what you are planning to do today. And at 2 p.m., just tell me what you have actually accomplished. And group leader, please take care in case somebody has not updated their details there. Just ask them to fill in the details, just remind them. Okay. But we expect all the candidates to be self-responsible and do this every day early in the morning, the moment you join. Okay. The next thing you need to do is you need to be available on Discord. So just come to Discord and you would see there are a number of channels here. So just come here and set in one. So whatever is your group ID. Suppose if you are in group 2, just come and set in group 2. Okay. And so you will find all your members who are in the group 2 sitting here with you. Okay. And all the time from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you should be available under group 2. And for some work or something, if you are not available for an half an hour or something, you just mark yourself at DND or away from keyboard. Okay. That should not happen that one of your team member is trying to call you and you are not available. That should never happen. So if you are between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., we expect you to be always available on Discord, sitting here in your group ID. If somebody is trying to reach out to you, you should be always available. Okay. And on your laptop, not on your mobile. So if somebody is asking you some doubt or something, you should be able to resolve it. All group members would be sitting together in this group 2 room. And if you guys are supposed to help each other, if somebody is asking for help, please respond as soon as possible and try to. So you all need to grow together as a team. Okay, don't leave people. Okay, so now Pavan Kumar Reddy was joined and then he left. So, and in the bottom, you see there are 3 buttons. Okay. So if there are a lot of discussions in the room and you don't want to listen all that, you are feeling disturbed, you can just click here like this. So if you click here, then you wouldn't be able to listen to the conversation, what they are conversing, but I prefer it to be like this. And then you can unmute and mute yourself also. Okay. Simple. You can screen share using this screen button. And if you want to turn on your video, if you think that would be more helpful for learning purpose, then just you can turn on your video also. Okay. So for daily in the morning to connect with everyone, Discord is the application that we are going to use. And we have 3 text channels here. If you have any doubts regarding the training, any technical doubts, I mean, like how this thing work, how variables are declared, what all data type it supports. If you are not able to understand some concept, then you can raise it out in this channel. So if you are not able to resolve within the group, somebody from other group can help you out, or me can help you out, or some other mentors that we have in Big Minds, those will help you out. Okay, but you can, if you have any questions that you think you are not able to get solution from other people around you, then you can always drop a message in this channel and it would get resolved. Another thing is important announcements. All the important announcements related to interviews, related to training material, or maybe for the training material you need something handy. All those things would be available in announcements. Okay, and discussions is just for general discussion between each other. So if you just want to convey something or do something or share your happiness or uh, any progress you want to share, this is just for a general discussion group. Okay, and I would be available here always, and I at times I would be reaching out to each of the group. Between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I would be always available on this Discord, and I would be at times in the mid, I would come and check on your progress, like how you are progressing and are you getting stuck or not. So just let me know wherever you guys are stuck. And here you are, suppose in case you are feeling blocked or something, you are not able to progress in your training, suppose you lost the access to LMS portal, or some technical issues happening in your laptop and you are not able to resolve it, just mark yourself as red. Or in case you think that you won't be able to complete the training on live, so if you think that you won't be able to complete the training on time, so just mark it red, so that we would have a discussion one-to-one. So all who have marked themselves as red, I would consider them as blocked, that they are not able to progress with the training, and I would have one-on-one conversation with those people. Okay. So who all is not able to progress the training, in your performance tracking sheet, mark yourself status as red. Whatever you are entering, just mark it in the red. Okay, so this is about Discord, how Discord would work. We have 3 text channels, and you throughout the day you would be sitting in your group, and once in case you are away from keyboard, you should mark yourself DND, or in this channel you should come here and sit here. Okay, so
And
this
once
is
you
all about.
start using it, guys, once you start using it, you'll become more comfortable with it. But yes, corporate industry is using such tools where the teams connect together, especially when now remote work from home is happening. So we always have to be available. So deal with it like professionalism. That's where, okay, the more you spend some time, you'll be very nicely comfortable with all this. Okay, chalo, moving on.
Okay, so all this is about Discord. So throughout the day, you are available in your group. When you are not at keyboard, you mark yourself DND always. It should not happen that people are trying to reach out to you and you are not available, but still they are able to see you in the group, but still you are not responding. These things should not happen. This is not professional. And for all important updates, we are available to you in these channels. Okay, so all this is about Discord, and now coming to the important part, very important part, Big Minds portal, LMS portal. Okay, so this everyone will get credentials to Big Minds portal today. Okay, so the moment it's already logged in, let me log out. So the moments you will come to Big Minds portal, you will see username and password. You just enter your credentials here. So this is one of the users that I have created. So just log in with your username and your password. So you would be able to see a course here. Okay. So once you see this course, right, JavaScript fundamentals, this is the course that you are supposed to complete in next 5 days, from 25 October to 29 October. Okay, so when you go to this course, okay, so here you see, let's see this list first. Okay, so what this course contains? This course contains about JavaScript data types, JavaScript variables, loops, objects, arrays, functions, window object, and how scoping works in JavaScript. Okay, So the first thing, you need to set up your environment using Visual Studio Code. And then these are like videos. So you would watch this video, then you are supposed to complete these 5 assignments. Then you will watch this video, then you will complete these assignments. Then you will watch this video and assignments, video and assignments. Okay. So just complete your videos, try to complete the assignments. You can access them if you want to complete this one first before this one, that you can also do. It is recommended to do in this particular order, but if you want to shuffle around, that is completely on you, and that is completely okay with us. And after this, you need to complete these JavaScript exercises. It is just like a quick one, like MCQ kind of. And then these are a few of other assignments, like all these were like basic assignments which just help you get comfortable with the JavaScript syntax. But these are like actually where you need to put down your logical and problem solving thinking, and then complete these assignments. So once you complete this entire course, you guys would be confident that you would be able to crack the final test, Hacker Earth test, that we are going to conduct on 30th of October. Okay, so all these are tests, and so once you click on it, suppose I click on play, then now
And
this
guys,
video
just be
will,
sure, okay? Just be sure every single day it is 8 to 2. So it's like total of 6 hours of learning trainings. Yes, you have your lunch and breakfast arranged properly. But yeah, you have 6 hours of hardcore productive time. If you can learn it, convert it, you'll be able to master all these things very easily. Okay? Laziness rahega and confusions, concerns ke sath, you are creating your own problems, so you'll be always stuck. Group is there, Discord is there, people are there to help you out. You be committed, be available. 6 घंटे के अंदर you can really achieve mastery in all these things. ठीक है? Yeah, Swati, please continue.
yes, so here on the top you would see that there are a couple of videos, assignments, all the stuff that we have just seen in that list, same thing is listed here. So you can just directly move from one to another, and the videos are there. You can, if you think that something you already know, you don't want to watch it twice, you can arrange the spread to 2x speed and just have a walk through it again. And now suppose when you are trying to complete an assignment, suppose constructing a string is one of the assignment, and the link says that click here, so you would be moved to a new link. So whatever code they have given the question here, you will try to write your code here, try to run all the test cases. And then once all the test cases are completed, it will give you option to download it. Okay, so once you download it, just upload the downloaded file here. Okay, and if the file is in, sometimes the file is in .js format, and .js format is not accepted, so just convert it into a compressed zip file and then upload. Okay, all your assignments would be reviewed by us, okay, by me or by our mentors or someone from our team. Okay, so all your assignments will be reviewed and would be giving passing percentage, and if it is not proper, is not up to the mark, or it is missing any test cases, then in that case the assignment would be marked as rejected, and then you have to resubmit it again. Okay, so but in the next 5 days this entire thing should be completed, and you should complete all your assignments with the appropriate passing marks. Okay, so that's all about this LMS portal. So you every morning you come here, you click on this link, and just from the drop down try to complete each of them one by one. And they just look too many numbers, but it's like if you get the flow, you will be able, every assignments will take like 15 minutes, 20 minutes maximum for you to complete it, maximum. Okay, these assignments can take time because these assignments need lot of logical thinking, the bottom one. Okay, but the top one would be very quick and should be done within 15 minutes or 20 minutes itself. It is just to make you guys comfortable with the JavaScript syntax. So four portals you need to access. You need to come to this Excel sheet, mark your planning. You need to be available on Discord to connect with the team. You need to come to this portal to for your learning, and the Visual Studio Code for your coding practice. Okay, so coding, Visual Studio Code for coding practice, and here you are learning, here you are connecting with the team, and here we are able to track your performance. Okay, that's all. So these 4 things you should have access to in your local for sure. In case you are facing any issues in connecting with this code, drop me a message. We would help you sort it out. And if all your group and the BakeMinds LMS portal credentials will be shared with you today itself.
Mhm.
That's all.
ठीक
Do
है,
you
ठीक
have?
है. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, people. So yes, any questions you have, start pouring it. You can just write it into chat and then we'll take it forward from there. Yes, yes, people, just put it. Okay, Archana says everything is clear. Very good, Archana. ठीक है, पहले बॉल पे छक्का मार लियो. Very good. ठीक है. Yes, guys. Anyway, देखो, guys, we are doing this really because the IT industry needs good people. And on the second side, we know that there is struggle happening with many candidates who are not directly getting campus recruited as a freshers. So that's where we are trying to pick people from latest things as well. Okay. How many modules are assigned or assignments should be completed per day? Okay. So Swati, could you please just give some high level view on this for Arshia?
Yes. So daily you are supposed to complete one video, and then the entire day, suppose the one video is mostly maximum 1 hour or 1.5 hour, not more than that. Okay. So if you watch 1.5 hour video, and then you can follow it by the 3-4 assignments, and then you would be done for the day. Okay, so you could assume, so considering that you might have debugs and you might have issues and all, when you are actually coding, you won't be able to get to the solution because it is the initial phase for you. So you might get stuck at time, but from my perspective, in a day, you should be able to complete one video per day and followed by 3 and 4 assignments.
And guys, it's like matter of like 2-3 hours itself, but we have 6 hours reserved for that. So if you can speed up, okay, now it's just up to your spirit of learning. So if you can speed up, if you can double down your efforts before 5 days, if you can finish all of this, like Swati madam said, in the end, the assignments, the final assignments, that will need more logical thinking. So if you can finish the quick and the easy stuff early in the initial 2 days of time itself or 3 days of time, later on you can spend dedicated time for actual complex, some nice decent applications. So I would recommend give initial time code, don't lose it casually, put your best shot in the beginning of the time so that in the end it becomes pretty good for you. थोड़ा सा टाइम मैनेजमेंट खुद से भी देखो, how many videos, how many assignments, how much time it is taking, and then you can work on this plan which is shared right now. ठीक है, fine. Okay,
And
so
one more thing,
mhm.
one form link is shared with you all. So could you all mark your attendance in that form? So you just need to give your name, email, and the WhatsApp contact number. So the current WhatsApp group that we all are having has way too many members. So we would, whoever is attending this session, we would need a separate group for these people. Okay, so just could you just mark your attendance in this form?
Yeah, so we'll take it only with the serious candidates. And okay, there are a few more things. So Sonali Jadhav says that's great information you guys shared, and whatever expecting you will, we will try to fulfill. Okay. So yes, pretty good to see that spirit, Sonali, and applies for all the people. We are representing IT organization in front of you guys. We have like 12 years of industry experience. We have seen the pain of the industry, and we want that you really grow. Okay, and that's where we are trying to come up with the program. Be committed and life will be really good. Okay, and Ankit, I guess you might have joined a bit late here, but yes, over and all training is going to take approximately 1.5 to maximum 2 months of time. In 2 months already interviews and everything will be scheduled as well for you guys with a minimum package of 5 lakhs. Okay, so this is how we are going to start shaping up. 1.5 to 2 months. Okay, no problem, no problem, Ankit. Okay. So yes, and from tomorrow onwards, guys, थोड़ा सा 8 बजे, let's try to be there sharp at 8:00. That will talk a lot about your professionalism. Okay, it will talk a lot, and IT industry wants such people. So if you can, okay, if you can really be good, okay, So for example, as part of the last batch, so like, okay, one of the candidate we were trying to consume in Swati madam's team itself, because the candidates were really good and some committed people will even try to do that. So we have our own network also, plus we have our clients also. So n number of things can happen. Just the only requirement is you have to be good and try to give your best shot and life will be pretty good. Okay. Okay, Ankit, Zoom meeting ID was not there. Okay, so maybe some tech things from our side. Hmm? No problem, guys. Chalo. Okay, Ankit, it's fine. It happens at times. Okay. So, guys, fill up this form, and if you have any queries and all, we can like connect back on that. We can share you some things for dropping your like questions. Also, maybe you can even report that, or already connect on Discord. Start posting your questions and queries there. The software list is already provided to you. So, चलो एक अच्छे खासे से सीखते हैं, guys. ठीक है. So let's give you a best shot. मजा आएगा. And this is what you will be getting the flavor of IT industry before getting into the IT industry, a kind of pace that you will get here, agile competitions, like fatafat, rapid pace. And 2 months के अंदर you will learn what you did not learn in your entire academics. ठीक है. इतना ज़्यादा सीखोगे. And that's really wonderful. Okay. And that's really wonderful. And I think it's going to be a very bright career for all you people. Okay. So one thing I'll always say, देखो, the session is primarily done. If you have any questions, you can keep posting it. But few tips, we will wind up this session at 9:30 sharp. Okay, so we still have approximately 22 minutes here. Okay, I would really like to tell you guys a few key tips of my personal IT experience. Okay, 12 years industry experience working with a lot of people. I have been interviewing candidates from plus 6+ years, and I have been leading teams since past 6+ years. ठीक है, तो 12 साल में से आधा टाइम तो वहीं पर गया है. Now, few important things. Okay, in IT industry there is lot of money, which we already discussed. Only capable people will be able to get it. So you need to already fix it to your mind. If you're looking for shortcuts in the IT industry, life is going to be struggling. It will not work out for you. It will not work out for the company. There are no shortcuts for success. There is no shortcut in the IT industry. It's how you grow, learn, passion that will determine your growth in the IT industry. Okay? That's point number one. Your hungerness to learning will define you. Second point, in the IT industry, you will find a lot of people who are not really serious and committed. देखो, life क्या होता है, guys? Two things. For some people, life is going to be very easy. Okay, for some people, life is going to be very easy. के all of a sudden, a job लग जाएगा. As soon as you're done with the college, you'll get decent package. So for whoever life is easy, they will never be serious about life. They'll be like, हाँ मिल जाता है, and a point will come where life will actually show them true colors, and they are not ready by that time. So just know it. In the IT industry, you will find there will be working people who are completely time waste, not serious about their career, with negative mindset. Why should we work hard? We are getting the salary anyways now. What is going to happen? Nothing will happen. Manager never recognizes our efforts. And let's not work today. Chill karte hai, entertainment and all. And let me tell you, if you fall in circle around such people, very shortly your opportunities in life will start disappearing. Okay, because guys, the way you live your life accordingly, IT provides opportunities. Guys, I'm sharing my personal experience with all you guys. If you're committed, hardworking, then opportunities will automatically be given to you. Your managers, your seniors will give you more and more chance to learn and grow. But if you are like half-hearted, nahi karenge, we will not do this, we will not do that, automatically you will stop getting any opportunity. And whatever the friends were saying, you will also start thinking the same. The manager never gives me opportunity, why should I work hard? So you get into this trap basically. You don't work hard, so you don't get opportunity. Because you don't get opportunity, you don't work hard. And because of such trap, you will never grow in your career. So the second important learning, try to be away from such people of the IT industry, which is talking about laziness, not working hard, like shortcuts, time pass, and such people are very disastrous for your life. Be away from such guys. Okay, that's second very important learning you should take. Third one, देखो, I'm not saying ke be only serious in life. there is time for fun, there is time for entertainment, maza masti hoti hai, like we have so much of fun in our work as well, ठीक है. But important thing which we all people should know कि there is the right time for everything. पहले सीखो, कुछ बनो. Once you feel good about yourself कि यार, yeah, I can do anything, put me into complicated projects, put me into challenging projects, I will be able to do stuff there also. Once you get this confidence, उसके बाद entertainment will look like a reward for you. Okay, entertainment will look like a reward for you. हाँ यार, I have worked so much hard, now मस्ती करते, let's go for a vacation, 3-day trip मारते, let's go for like some beautiful place in nature, let's go for a forest stay. Okay, resort चलते, family के साथ घूमो फिरो. But guys, life will reward. उसका मजा तब आएगा when you are actually achieving something in life. And if your life is in struggle, let me tell you, this is also one of the flavor of the IT industry. All those people who live in pressure, in many people in the IT is living under tension, under pressure, because they are not able to work rightly. And all of such people, they will not be enjoying life as well, because they are always in that mental pressure state, or this is not happening, that is not happening. So guys, first become somebody who can solve their own problems in the IT industry. Okay, take on challenges, solve the problems. When you get to that point, then enjoy life. You will find that more rewards will become, and that then actually you will feel proud about yourself as well. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा ये बेसिक्स पे फोकस करो, बहुत अच्छे से your entire career will be shaped up as well. ठीक है, बहुत important. Now another thing, we already spoke about this in the beginning of the session, but some of you guys, or maybe during the session sometimes, but some of you might not have really, some of you joined late, so I really want to re-emphasize on this important thing. Okay, key planning your career is very important. Where you are growing, how you're growing is very important. Okay, so right now IT industry has so many technologies, there is so many domains, UI, server, QA, database, there are so many things, but you need to be planned. How do you want to shape up your career? Because that is what is going to really come into reality for you. Without planning, बस randomly चल रहे, पता ही नहीं है कि what you want in your life is not going to shape up much. It will not shape up much, because खुद को you don't know what you want in your life. Life will also not give you any opportunity, so you need to be planned. So the way I already shared, start with front end development, learn it, get inside the IT with a decent package. Your other friends might not really have those packages, वैसे में start होगा. Already life में kick start मिल गया, a head start मिल गया. Once you get that, okay, next stage is focus. Guys, देखो, everything is there to learn. Focus on what kind of companies, how people interact, how the processes are there. Learn the technology, learn that everything will teach you in IT industry. Don't become like, I want only this, I want only that. In the beginning stage, you should be ready to learn anything, whatever IT gives. Okay, don't try to be too much choosy. I want only this, I want only that, because you don't even know what you want in the beginning of your careers. Be ready to listen, be ready to observe, be ready to learn in the beginning time of your IT industry. No matter what company, what project, everybody will teach you something. वैसे guys, initially 0 to 2 years of your career should be planned just as a student to the industry, learning, experimenting, trying this, that, blah, blah, blah. The foundation work, very strong thing. Full commitment. Okay, don't care about when you're starting your work, when you're ending the work. Guys, let me tell you, IT industry will be very generous. If we will plan only 9 hours of work for you, we don't want to pressurize you. Many people get into this trap. They are like, "Arey, wow, there is nice work-life balance." But let me tell you this. IT is being generous on us by saying कि only 10 to 7 job ही we will plan for you, and rest of the time you enjoy. But guys, let me promise it to you. Those who self commit to themselves कि नहीं 10 to 7 नहीं करेंगे, extended hours मारेंगे, weekends मारेंगे, these people will grow double the speed than those who are growing only in 10 to 7. And I want to really tell you, whether you like it or not, 10 to 7 working is for average people. That's average expectation. The people who want success, who wants to grow big in their careers, they have to cross these boundaries by learning more, growing more. At least, again, I'm saying at least in the beginning 3 years of your career, don't care about timings at all. Full effort maro in the beginning of your career. Once you have the knowledge, once you have the strength, once you get that confidence, I can work on any project, I can solve any complexity. Uske baad, yes, you can chill. You can reduce your amount of efforts, then you can think about personal life, professional life, all of that. But foundation week में don't try to mess it up. What you can learn in 3 years, वही सब सीखने के लिए 5 years लगे, and 2 years is a big time. ठीक है, 2 years is a really big time, so don't get into that trap, my friend. So understand these few basics. And I think, okay, Swati madam has posted some, okay, the new WhatsApp group. So whatever groups you were having so far, so that is for different people. It was ke sabko leke aate hain. Okay, so you will find that there are a lot of people here, but finally the real core guys who wants to continue forward, because only serious public ke sath will take it forward. So fill up this latest form and join this latest chat group which is there in WhatsApp. And इनके साथ from tomorrow onwards we will start with the training. The other groups whatever we have, we will just discontinue that from tomorrow onwards. ठीक है, और Discord पे रहते हैं, साथ में अच्छे से करते हैं, and life is really going to be very fun and entertaining. ठीक है, and all the very best for your careers. You remind me of my like 11 years ago story कि hungerness था, there was a bit nervousness, job लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, what will happen in industry, what will not happen. ठीक है, बट मेरा टाइम तो बहुत पेनफुल था गाइज, और स्वाति का टाइम बहुत पेनफुल. इट वाज लाइक एट दैट टाइम रिसेशन हिट द मार्केट, पूरा रियल इस्टेट कोलैप्स हो गया था इन द यूएस मार्केट. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी टाइम इज टफ. वो टाइम रिसेशन हुआ, उससे पहले .com बबल आया था, दिस टाइम लॉकडाउन आया. बट फ्रॉम लॉकडाउन द मार्केट हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. Openings are there, positions are there, people are being looked for. The market is right now recovering, and you're lucky के digital बहुत spread हो रहा है, many companies are forming, बहुत अच्छा चलेगा. ठीक है, so be ready, and I think next 20 years of your life is going to be really wonderful. ठीक है, मजा आएगा, पैसा मिलेगा, मस्ती करोगे. And let me again promise another thing, IT industry is one of the best industry in the world right now. If you understand any other industry guys, वहां पे 10 लाख पैकेज for just getting a package of 10 lakhs बहुत फाइट है. पब्लिक 10-10 20-20 हजार मंथ कमा रही है, and that's how their life is just continuing. IT industry ऐसे हाथ में पैसा लाके देती, 10 lakhs 15 lakh packages just put into your pocket every month with less efforts. So it is the industry. Okay, so don't get into the trap of like a government job करेंगे और उसमें लंबा लंबा जाएंगे, because guys what you can earn in 50 years, you can earn that much in just 20 years in the IT industry. But be wise. Today I'm like sharing so much with you, so because you are at the starting point of your career, be wise enough to do some investments right at the beginning. मतलब the next 5 years 10 years में पैसा उड़ाने पे फोकस मत करो. Look for it, because देखो जॉब जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब स्लो जॉब्स वाले, दे विल हैव अ लाइफ फॉर गारंटीड लाइफ फॉर नेक्स्ट 50 years. आईटी में 20 साल के बाद पता नहीं क्या है. तो यू नीड टू रन ऑलरेडी ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. Start putting into real estate, start putting some into mutual funds and shares. ठीक है, start taking some gold, silver. पैसा आएगा, don't waste the money up. Like a big brother, I'm guiding you people, because I have seen people, those who don't save. I have been through that phase where I was not saving, and I know the disasters, because we don't get that maturity in the beginning. So paisa aega, money will come. Make sure that every time approximately 20 to 30% of your salary should go in investment back. जमा करो, saving करो, go for real estates, go for some shares, do something like that sort. 20 to 30% of your salary for the next 5 years 10 years in the industry. बहुत पैसा बनूंगा, and that will make you very nicely financially independent as well. And you never know how life goes. For example, right now after 10 years 11 years, we came up with this bake minds concept. So Swati came up with this concept, very beautiful one, trying to solve the problem. You never know, as you grow in your life, what ideas you might get in. You are all smart people, right? You're all smart people. You might get brilliant ideas. You might get like खुद का कुछ करेंगे, entrepreneurship करेंगे, कुछ दुनिया को बदलेंगे. You might get all that spark. But how will you get that? By becoming somebody in life. Hard work, focus, be ready to learn, be ready to listen. You continue your life like that, pura ka pura destiny will become different. And guys, life is very wonderful. Make the most of it. Make the most of it. And already I am welcoming you to the IT industry, because I see that spark on your faces. ठीक है, कि कुछ करना है लाइफ में. ठीक है, some of the faces I see tensed as well, कि पता है नहीं कुछ होगा क्या नहीं. Some are smiling, so they are like, okay, definitely कुछ ना कुछ कर देंगे. But let me tell you, be calm, be quiet, and a lot of opportunities are there in the industry. Okay, I have seen it. I have lived through those opportunities. 35 members at 11 years of experience, ऐसे नहीं पहुंचा. बाकी लोग 15 साल में करते हैं. I did it in 10 years of time. Swati is doing that right now with 10, 11 years of time. Possible. It's all possible. Thank you all. It's 9:30, and all the today's recording we will be uploading and sharing you the YouTube link as well. So if you want to go through it back again, go through it. And tomorrow, see you guys at 8 a.m. in the morning. चलो धूम से शुरू करते हैं and life को conquer करते हैं. ठीक है? चलो. Thank you everybody. Thanks Swati for your time. Thanks everyone. Questions रहेंगे? Keep shooting it to us. Thank you guys. Take care of yourself. Have a special Sunday because tomorrow it's a new day. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks team.